So for today's video, I am going to be meal prepping for a very busy work week. I just got back from the store to pick up the main ingredients of what I'm going to need. So the plan for tonight is that tonight's dinner is going to be a large meal. I'm making beef stew, and that's going to be enough to last us at least 3 days or more, depending on how much we eat. And then I'm going to make a pasta salad for the week, which can last up to 5 days. I'm going to prep my lettuce so I can have an option of having like a salad, and lately I've been having tofu veggie wraps. And I have some eggs here that I'm gonna hard boil so I can have the option of putting that in my salad or making like egg sandwiches. So when it comes to meal prepping to me is to make my life easier during the week. So that doesn't necessarily mean prepping every single meal to a T for the entire week. More so like prepping the ingredients so it's like easier to assemble. So some assembly required, especially during busy work weeks. The reason why I tend to gravitate towards like fast food during the work week is because it's quick and easy and it doesn't take a lot of time, because by the time work is done and school stuff is done, it's already like late in the evening. The last thing I want to do is spend a huge amount of time making like elaborate meals. Join me today as I meal prep for the busy work. I'm going to start with drying out the tofu because that's going to take a while so I can later marinate it in teriyaki sauce. Just set this aside and just let it dry out, and you can even change out the paper towels every once in a while when they get super soaked. Oh, by the way, my cutting board has a lot of cuts on it. When I watch other people's tutorials on like when they cook meals, their cutting boards always look brand new, so I kind of wonder if I'm like pressing too hard. I don't know. Anyways, so next I'm gonna go ahead and prep the ingredients to make the beef stew, because that's gonna be in the Instant Pot for about 40 minutes, and that's what we're gonna eat for tonight. So I'll go ahead and start prepping that. So I cut up my meat into chunks. I did use kitchen scissors. I always have trouble cutting up meat, and I think it's because my knives are dull. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble my ingredients inside my Instant Pot. My beef stew is pretty simple, and my Instant Pot is kind of on the small side. So I'm going to be careful and make sure I don't overcrowd the pot or go over the maximum line. So if I have any leftover meat, I'll keep it in the freezer for a meal later on down the line. So I have my vent going, so you might hear some noise in the background, but I am going to cut up 1 tomato and 1 pepper, half a cucumber for my pasta salad. So the rest of the ingredients are going to be prepped and put in containers, so it will be ready if I want to make a salad or a wrap later on in the week. so I have my ingredients for my pasta salad. I'm waiting for the pasta to cool down. I did finish cooking it and it is cooling off. And then once it's cooled off enough, I will assemble the pasta salad. So I have a few more items I would like to prep. I want to chop and wash this lettuce. So I'm gonna chop up some celery, broccoli, and carrots and put that in a container. And those are gonna be more like snacks throughout the day, so I can dip them in like ranch. So one problem I have is the dressing. I thought I had red wine vinegar. I have red cooking wine, which is not the same thing. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use for the dressing, if I'm going to make it like my own vinaigrette, or if I'll make some sort of like mayo dressing. I'm just going to experiment and hopefully it'll turn out okay. So I found a recipe online. It's mayo, white wine, a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar. So now we can assemble the rest of the pasta salad. Did a quick taste test. Tastes pretty good. I forgot I need to add the mozzarella cheese. This turned out really good considering I used cucumber instead of zucchini. I scrambled to make a dressing and it turned out actually pretty great. So super happy with this. So we are winding down our prep. I'm making hard-boiled eggs and I'm gonna marinate the tofu and then I believe we will be done. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video because I'm getting tired and I'm ready to like put things away. Snacks here that I can eat throughout the week. We have cut up vegetables. I can use this for salads or wraps. That right there is olives. You're like, what is that? Those are leftover olives. This is our pasta salad. I actually ate some and then transferred this to a smaller container because I need my bigger Tupperware to store the beef stew, which is currently cooling down. This is our tofu that's now marinating in teriyaki sauce. So once we dried it out, I just cut it up into little strips and then it's going to marinate in teriyaki sauce overnight. Tomorrow I'm going to rotate the tofu so the ones that are on the top will be on the bottom just to make sure it really soaks up that teriyaki sauce. The more you let it soak up and marinate, the stronger the flavoring will be. And then for me, I most likely will make some fried tofu throughout the week. Or did I say veggie wraps before? I feel like I'm so tired. I don't remember what I said earlier. Did I say veggie wraps before? Just like burrito, or did I say a lettuce wrap? I don't remember. So I prepped my lettuce for the week, thoroughly washed, dried, and then when I want to make my wraps or salads, everything will be ready. And my eggs are almost done. This is just the container that it was in. So my boiled eggs, once they're done, I'm gonna let them cool down and then I'm gonna put them back in this container. I'm gonna label this hard-boiled eggs because I do have another container in the refrigerator which are uncooked. So I will have hard-boiled eggs throughout the week that I can either put in my salad or have for breakfast, and also make egg sandwiches for lunch. Like when my daughter comes home from school, she likes to have like a little snack or like a small little meal when she gets home, so I can make her egg salad sandwiches. With that said, I'm super happy that I was able to meal prep for the week. This is really going to help me as far as like time and being busy. With that said, I am exhausted and I still have to clean up the huge mess that I made. So thank you for watching and I'll see you later.